bia enyini ache
afa na woka say yi eyisa medulac herbal tea wo de tunsu ehiem kakra na adwoa na wo de wo kakra frem emfa milk na sugar nka ho no anom ne saa uti pow gaga eye migraine se stress kra na wabre na ehawa ebedu fom ama de wo ye no wadwena koso no waye ne yie ama mogya no so apompe yie obi kra ne ho wo no eye Parkinson disease ana obi kra nya brain tumor ebejai
eyisa opinto herbal tea nso
eyisa opinto herbal tea eno so fatunsu ehiem 5 minutes bi achi na wanom ne saa emfa hwe frem ebe boost wo immune system ewo wo liver any kidney no ho pa na mo ahodre da ene menu chef football match na ka be hye bi pa malaria fever typhoid ene jode sonso de ho etwifa won so kra
ene won so yire wo ho nanom na firi se me kyewo a me njeja me ho
ene wo de abewo na ye wo ayisa minta herbal so e check cholesterol blood pressure and diabetes
ye mani nyina empafie hada
debida
abusia ne nyina benum bida
our pharmacies herbal and chemical shops dudu a Kwaisi Christian Herbal Center ewo ayisa Suhum Kofodua Main Road from 0244 413 247 and 0248 152323
ayisa herbal tea
numbi na wa behunu ensesa ewa pomudiri mu
FDA ahwehwe saa edwadie nkrato yi mu agye atum se eye
FM Fufrobia Abano Menkwa Mintu Mintie Menkwa Mirintu Mintie FM Fufrobia Abano Menkwa Mintu Mintie Menkwa Mirintu Mintie Owani padi mani mai One she say body mati memu forty e wakuma nefe Agu kensi eni kasia papa Daddy eni ampomu diunse e wakuma nefe 97.1 Ghana jimwatu mo Misi efi enyumre opi manopano Eye wara nubieti FM Fufrobia Abano Menkwa mintu mintie Menkwa mirintu mintie FM Fufrobia Abano Menkwa mintu mintie Menkwa mirintu mintie
Akropon Kapim on Kuma Radio 97.1
The finest Nana Kwame Perry. Sorry, Aliachi.
Anyway, bringing the time is exactly just about 40 minutes to hit the hour for 12 midday. And we are blessed because we trust in the Lord and have made the Lord our hope and confidence. We are like a tree planted along the river bank with our root deep into the waters. We fear no heat. We are not even anxious in a year of drought. We will never stop producing fruit. Manchester will come, amen. Oyene echina ashase ni ewie nyankopon Oche so nyame ochema ne so obia so abrese medu kata were be ma pambo nyankopon a wadane dunsu osi kwan finfini bo abrefo wabomodin aye yadom yakọ eye na wochi foforo asambi rana wa wochi foforo mu emenne yegosuti asese akrati asefo amoja di afusani woyemu a sani achironika o say what shall I say unto the Lord? All that I have to say is thank you, Lord. So abomodin amaye ne soro bambo nimdie nyansa yegosuti ase ye from Nana Kwame Imperi ubetimi aframe the finest and meme nyina ka chire me the award-winning presenter. Na me momodi engia taxi drivers, trotro drivers, any ankronkron nyina ATM agidifo nyina sambe modemo kasa fidie na to okoma 97.1 ATA the best mid-morning show with yours truly Mr. Finest. Edamu nyina say enemy paibo na nieko eni se ni abrabo ye dandan yen eni se ni abrabo no ehihye yen no enwum wei na bibi esi bia no me no e de hye dwumadi ase and good morning.
Akropon Kapim Okuma Radio 97.1.
Aside for to me see no pine you na me akasa obeye no eye de na ra obeye every sound the pine to me see no pine aside for to me see no pine you na me akasa obeye no eye de na ra obeye when me see obeshira me eye de na ra obeshira me o say nya me see we shira me oni baby to me can me she me baby I wash she so the me begina no Ewana mejina Yonya miaka sobeye no Edena ra obeye Waka so obeshira me no Sani etie bia obeshira mi o Onya mesi obepe jamia Obi pebi to me kami shebi baby I wash shisha so di mi bejina no Ewana mejina Yonya miaka sobeye no Edena ra obeye So, maybe you know me kuproko. E wom se me pire, na so me mo warado. Me de fiase na so, ye bebo mi di e wa me pini mamu kamisho. Ma chase ne so, maybe you know me kuproko. E wom se me pire, na so me mo warado. Me de fiase na so, ye bebo mi di e wa so beye no eye de na ra obeye you na me akaso beye no eye de na ra obeye oni pan to me see one cry aside for to me see no cry you na me akaso beye no eye de na ra obeye every sound oni pan to me see one cry aside for to me see no cry you na me akaso beye no eye de na ra obeye Fatina Sarah now obedi we tie obey you a frata chemo na de wona nesi obota so obekrawo inside denkunwa na ye esiroma wa comment to ai sanyo di Joseph Fatina Sarah now obedi we tie epinio mapene mawanka unso wasasi ene sa we ya no be ya kuko e o musa wo bire na su me mo warado u de fiasi na su e be bo udi na wa
ya never yakes. Anope maminchi yao. Ewo baby awo bia. Ni radia kaso beye no. Enye dan obeye. Onipa entimi nsi anokwan. Mami momodian na ankrankra biara se. Obi biara wo mpaibo. Wo vote. And if we direction, ekrekwamu ya adimi abedu sampempenso yi. Nyamishra mu nyina baako baako. Enunyam hye aba ma afamu bia mede ni nyina mamo. Insane sese ba na nka me betena se na muntie mi a. Anka ne ameye bia me ye no kwa. Mame na mia me yonko brebo, me nua. Shimanol edumenya. Baby awo bia sikwe. Nyamishra bebre. Onshra wonsano adwuma. Na me momodi anda me nua runs for Darko aka Vibes. Also anope me ma good morning. Nyamishra bebre me nua. Let the brotherhood dream come to reality. Na obi biara wo tie me bia. Nyame kan so twedi ampokwa me biruburu baseku basayi adom nyankopon. Ni oka obi nkebi no. Ombo kwan to baby ekwan ni. Omomodi antu na ni mwema yen. Na omomodi ampeja na basa mu oduru no so wo ya brabo so. Hwe empen bebre no wo ho. Eyo se radical power. Fashe utim. Say God liance is not his deniance. God his reliance is not his deniance. Enti nyamishra organizer Tedema Eminent Awards for Sanso na seda kese enkomo obi biara asamiri obo modi an page animu a hard working DCE awo pempim tete bia so no so bo modi an edi na nu onyam ebepie mu eno mo so amokai me won paibom yakwaba asumdwe so to my very own Nana Kwame Ampon said Yanope me ma good morning. More to come. We have yet to do more. I said I can say come on me brother the boy. I said I can say come on the pa. Any abushia phone in once again, my main fast that I can say Enfama Metie for Enfama Nkrenkrebia Sam Remuti Kasafide. Once again, your friend and Nana Kwame Perry will be me a friend with the finest. Mommy joint. And you mean ye Wone Ogri and I'll pay me made you my phone in a more mommy's joint. Me mamuna good morning. And if you're Bapa Cousin Mr. Fianco or Alive Filling Station, I'm Ankwa Munina, good morning. Na enkoma Pastor Tieku anope nyamishra bebre wa winning Pastor Tieku bia wa Star Filling Station dana se anope ochemi fuo free wo meka mu nyamishra na pa beda se Pastor Tieku. Okay, time check in the studios is just about 30 minutes after 11 anope mami fa onhye ha na fe me no eni nkomobi.
Obini manka walu kwa munkobi walu toma minyesi ga bontobi shade obini manka sama tu kofi with the prison mamulu zontoli tarado obini anka miyelo lima mushishobi makamasa machile nupo minyobia monteo pasemi kamiyelo lima mushishobi obi mama munyu machile nupo minyobia monteo adubu wilanyanga erane nyanga adubu wilanyanga Uganda su still yengu. Wasro wana kume musu. We make DJ aden mosu. We stay dim dama su still wongu. Shadi wandu. Amiti wandu. Anadida sema yadida na wane wancheche na wale kanchi nyamadugu yado. Nasuni ina entumu ambe. Sefide sufu we fide bubu makofi mulu cruising na metra savena. Irade nyawa waya ya mantasi nyawanka. Aushade nyawa shohinu bakwe nyawanka. Nyawanka adubu wila nyawanka. Nyawanka irade nyawanka. Mama Bobi Mambo Antama, and Bobi Mako Fiati Mama. Bobi Mambo Antama, and Bobi Mako Fiati Mama. Malai, Mamma knew who I am, Mama. Kani Nachila Wala, Mamma knew who I am, Mama. Kani Nachila Wala. Senye Binoyo, Senye Binoyo, Sambo Binoyo, Sambo Binoyo. Oya Semo, Ashi Yana Elie. Sham your time for the division, no. In talk on them, put it back a musro. Now, so time for the young cry, I must be a pono, Baba Betty, Bass, I'm not able to bokono. Fini pan, Mama, how I had if you was saying, Ucha, Yendo, why, now, Anka, Didi, ooh, Dumula, now, Anka, Boano, we knew it. Obini Machina, Assam. It's the end of
Okuma Radio 97.1.
You know what for you now? Yazi my way, what for you know? It's you when you be watching now, Boano. We knew it. Obini Machina, Assam. It's the end of Nasawuzaba. Yana, Chinobi Susan Amati. Nakadin, oyema dipa yeda ujanodo. Yasi mafefedi, nina lebeje wakwama wabawodo. Eti mekada yankuda, you know. Wanjidu da biyakuya na yo. Yono nipe niya, aba. Mwole chile mabu wamena. Nipe niya nilimpa. Asam tumakebina. Nipe niya nilimpa. Pine obi wachina ya buwanena. Nibeni anini pore, nibeni anini pore, nibeni anini pa. Obi aranya obi, ubi wobi asimonyeti bana wedi. Kotoku munibi, usia bonus super mobi danobi. So you for help the needy. Today will be your own tomorrow, you know sabi. Nobody knows tomorrow, so you better take precaution on my body. It's a tea and you know,
7.1 FM is rocking. We are blazing.
Yeah, my you know, my brother. Was I so I need to Yakuyana yo, you mini penny, Abba. Mole chile mabu, Amena, Penny, I sent to Makabina, Penny, Obi watching I have one and I Penny and in the pore, Nibeni and in the pore, Penny and in the Willis, put me beats. Minimubino wosika Nanso wambwa ninti Yari bono no suwenyobi Sika na japati ne yinashono Bua wunyo na ya debi Wuhu bachi mobi swabu eti modern Seyo funu sa shebudi Mini ya wuchiri ya duwati Nakadin Oye madipa yeda ujanodo Yasi mafafedi Nina lebeje wakama
Up your mind on Okuma Radio. Okuma Radio 97.1. We are blazing. On Common Radio 97.1.
Say, made of focus, you maybe I say, when you're the new Abraham, see your tango come. Yamine Shisha, Ubibia will share Bracon, Yamine Shisha, Monico, Yuma, whom Yamin Tibidi there. Memma Wabamu, Sati and Yinanya Pe, a Yaka Yona, Bonsiamu, Unabi Sokokoma, and Jobu, Tija Bibiama Adona, Quan was Yebedu, I visit a bedu bronya, then I capa you. Yes, sir, I'm for them. A cry, baby, maybe a cry, painting. Yes, I'm for them. Yes, you're drinking, Yana, Vanessa. Yes, I'm a bottom. Kagra, you be dear, Cassie, be plenty. Yes, I'm a bottom. Yes, you're drinking, Yana, Vanessa. Abraham, bringing up. Oh, young Yami. Love you, may your mammy, so you're from your grandpa. My dreams are bimbo. The comedy, mamma, go. And to know inside, Nanso wanga masamu mamia Anyasiana mea Anga oda jana becha Minsu media gruwa fefefe Amo bia kaseba ni senyo Awa uchimi ube umia feri Amo bagaza graji Yes, I'm a bottom Kakra yebedi Mbibi kakra yebenti Yes, I'm a bottom Yes, you're drinking yana mana banisa Yes, I'm a bottom Kakra yebedi Kasi yebe plenty Yes, I'm a bottom Yes, you're drinking yana mana banisa Madunga bimbo Megomeni mama mingo Entino insana minu Nanso wenga masamu mamia Yes, I'm a bottom
On Common Radio 97.1.
Yes, I'm a bottom Yes, I'm a bottom
Oh, clap your mind down roll. On Common Radio.
My prayer be say make I get money, yeah. Make I fit for me, yeah. Make I grow 10 big person, yeah. God go do for me, yeah. My prayer be say make I get money, yeah. Make I fit for me, yeah. Make I grow 10 big person, yeah. God go do for me, yeah. I go they say, them go here. Control now by you. I share me home. I go they say, them go here. Control now by you. I share me home.
All this hustle we done the hustle. Plenty money we done the find. And wire for the pull we down. We the see we done the mind. Every day I don't the pray. When money go come away. If you talk I know the help. Money they call me for my brain. Searching money for my baby. I'm searching money for my mommy. But we go keep on the try.
My prayer be say make I get money, yeah. Make I fit for me, yeah. Make I go 10 big person, yeah. God go do for me, yeah. My prayer be say make I get money, yeah. Make I fit for me, yeah. Make I go 10 big person, yeah. God go do for me, yeah. I go they say, them go here. Control now by you. I share me home. I go they say, them go here. Control now by you. I share me home.
Yes, I have a lot of prayers. Men pie boy bebre, men pie boy says Samri, you been yasumjay, Monfanchame, and then I guess I see a bomb pie de Magana, sending a day, Yami, Yeno. But Mr. Akuma, most sorry, I no pay what money a bomb pie, Amagana says Samri, Bibiara. Yeah, yes, a Ghana, mine. And you ever turn a council, the Amaya. Once again, your friend and I Kwame Peru with me, a friend of the finest, and men in our catch reading me. Once again, I am the award winning presenter in Chakasi and Como Bibiara Wuti. When you're from so cry, hi, Green. What I say is I say, I charge a pa over her sending your Kuma studios in the mo. And EJ, I be pure office her and 4 awards for Okoman. Yes, Team Okoman. Yeni abre. Afe Regionals Hotel penny for San Opemi Chana men control Sampa. Hotel Asamri Bonnie Home the Hotel Asamri Hotel Luxury Nature top class facility. and one Regenus Hotel. I was executive room, twin rooms, the lost rooms na wo pay bi ato conference room and as a restaurant open to the public. Ni na we need to bi ewo Regenus Hotel. Na ne woman say swimming pool so open to the public ho. You come in say Dukrom. Old Okre District Assembly no. Opposite was Sabeka Regenus Hotel ho. Bombardier from was 050-333-7788 050-333-7788 and 0244-333373. Regenus Hotel, home with nature. I feel 1 year Juma, one of our decided 1 year Juma. It's a quick credit and investment microcredit limited in penny for some chiao. Almost 7 years same tia. Almost a Bombardier say a fee. Also, Beshe BBA say, you hear a Ghana card kekawo from 030-2200-390, 030-2200-390, and at 0596-920833, 0596-920833, and at 030-2200-390. Woka Quick Credit Investment Microcredit Limited, Omo Pep, and as I'm Ghana ha. Regulated and licensed by Ghana Bank of Ghana. Asambre Omo Bomodiama loans that must will be any entry. Quick credit, let it make simple. Have a blessing and great ventures in penny for San Ope Mamin Chawe. Namin Bisa se umpo mo bokodie. Ebeboa sem pembe no. Woni ye baby di kasubum. Eye dan woni e man awo pedi page awo dan no say ATNG and nice tiles and security doors. Bathroom accessories and answer me no say polytanks ahodo paint and washable acrylic paint and I will be atwa abuta check kwapem ye be gas filling station no once Abeka blessing and greatest ventures from 0244 507310 0244 507310 and 020 6670009 what is here. I don't like band in penny for semi channel. I mean, can't just over the weekend. Ye be an ebo bia. What is a sound in here correct piano? I almost sound, you know. I don't like band. I said, I know, cause I be ye wedding and our party. Jumedi be a woody piano. I don't like band in penny for semi. But money I hear much you call Croponic capping from 0242 267538 0242 267538. I don't like band. I say, Bomadian. Now the Chani two man opa area enumere obeba abomodi abe boban mo atene de na koja koraka any koja pro code and I make come for the amount eba koja charcoal toothpaste any koja charcoal toothbrush koja regular floral toothpaste any toothbrush assembly essential paste you want Abushia, this a Kojak 4 and a baby kama say Kojak F sensitive mouthwash and then a 2 and ma and munka there be no bones and hokra. Original pro code and so on my somebody said within a pile and as a code fluid and when ya we hear original pro code no and then if you Kojak pharmacy for so to license chemical shop and as a meno kase Abushia over modia copium ewo shop bia ye tonton dro aye license chemical shop herbal shops pharmacy ahodo ni na won sabeka koja pharmacy ndro papa yi say you code dia ana say me no ka say headache eno an original pro code say teeth brush beboa wa any mouthwash beboa eno an koja mouthwash bi ni na no abusia ko pharmacy bi also pay bi won sabeka bi na we are was and be exactly the 31st day in the month of October and great congregation the Great Grace Mujra chapter 4 verses 33 so Bomodia dia bro 5 days revival na jumedi ebe chance 6 p.m. every annual bia 6 p.m. annual bia 85 days revival Presbyterian Church of Ghana Grace Congregation and the bro evangelist Dr. Ebenezer Abuofe and Reverend Natalie Kisley Auntie Reverend Erica Champon Omone Asofo Assembly Omobe Kasa Eddie Amount na song ministration in Left of Grace Songstress Abigail Palm and Femino Kasa there 6th of November and Penny Bebomodia Thanksgiving and a harvest. Come on, come on and be blessed. JDK Adom Enterprise in Penny for San Ope Good morning Nemo Dimpa Nyomo can say a building materials, quality ones na upe bi ato. Say cement iron rods and adie na ope. Somebody else over for JDK Adom Enterprise say a rod. Durable and affordable prices. Ni na mampo ne kwapem opposite Tekwashi Hospital no. On sabeka JDK Adom Enterprise or Abusha from 0244 429533 0244 429533 and 0244 857 JDK Adom Enterprise. Or say for durable and affordable building materials there. You know, everybody has a dream, and this has been one of the best songs from Abrantia, your friend Ukumi Guitar, going out to all the people out there, Amuye Juma, being a security person, whatever. Juma be a wuye be a to and come out Chief Inspector, look ma Sulemana, it is your song, and to you, a D4 somebody, Ankran be a mutake as a dream. By a Komi Guitar.
Xylophone music.
I will be with you till I breathe no more. I won't give up on you.
Oh crap, your mind down. Coma Radio.
You don't have a clue.
7.1 FM is rocking. We are blazing.
Nobody be like you. Bet you ain't gonna follow refuge in a say. Sanko French. Bento to us a cry. And I help me. My friend, me, I like Martin Luther King. I say a boxing, I'm Muhammad Ali. They say I like good, I they disagree. High life, I have a dream. I have a dream. I have a dream. I have a dream. I have a dream, my life will dominate. And yes, to jubilate. The world will celebrate high life. I have a dream. Do you share my dream? Will you dream with me? Oh yes, I have a dream. Yeah, this one you will not to say my Gavi. I like your shay and I will drive it. The shepherd will cry, will find it. Well, I will teach my children to love you. I dey feel you, and if the whole world should go against you, high life, I will stand by you. Cause when I'm around you, I feel okay. What would I do without you? High life, Ghana for some way. I'm a shepherd in Instagram when you say, and so I actually. Oh, friend, me, I like Bukami Chroma. I say, a boxing, a professor Azuma. I like me breakfast, me lunch, and in the dinner. Yes. I have a dream. I have a dream, Ghanaians who love their own. And the cherry and Chakrana, high life will play on and on. I have a dream. I say a boxing, a professor Azuma. I like me breakfast, me lunch, and in the dinner. Yes, I have a dream. I have a dream, Ghanaians who love their own. Then big cherry and Chakrana, high life will play on and on. I have a dream. I have a dream. I have a dream. I have a dream. I have a dream, my life will dominate. And yes, to jubilate. The world will celebrate high life. I have a dream. Do you share my dream? Will you dream with me? Oh yes, I have
crap, your mind down roll. Coma Radio.
Yes, just about 8 more minutes to say bye-bye to you. Enti abushia nche biano. Mede jumadi ni nyina beba na wiye. But like I keep telling you every time on this show, I got just about few days, 61 days, me de abako some na no. Not 2022 abane we just about 61 days 61 days not 2022 abane we the woman say yeah den kakran na kokodi no musio. So whatever that you are doing adie bia won sekutem bia wo ye bia yero ho ye, it is just a matter of time chene beche but enka hoda. I have a belief say each one of us has our own dream. Yenyina ye wo ye die so. Mami chia eja samin fum baby I will be an open me ma good morning. Na mi chia mami joint. Na fe mi chia Gertrude Cranting. An open get it me ma good morning. Na me mbomo di enchi adofo nyina mama okum. And Mama Mary of Ambassadors of Grace Salvation Ministry. And open me chiao. FOD Forward of King's Prayer Ministry wants me chiao. Apostle BB Brown. Na mi chia Reverend Azigbo Ama. And open me mamunyina good morning. Mama ohine wa and open wonsu good morning. Afi mami chia uforiwa choba. Ewo ensu nyame ye wo manfie kwapem. And open me ma good morning. My very own me rent me feel that obey Ewo Dukoma no pay me ma good morning. Na mi chia mama part or Latte Junction. I feel Latte phone nyina no pay me ma good morning. Ti anu yikiti anu yu barrier. Yes. Ejebiwu ejebiti as going out to you. Ejedu Ewa Himbrom. Such a lovely gentleman. With all humility, I no pay me chia me ma good morning. Na min chia eye wine town. Ataja wo a district police station. I don't pay me my good morning. Ataja, we are secretary to the commander. Na me mama di encha police phone na mo wakana. I love you with the love of God. Abusha. I don't watch a ye duaso a born abo. Emra so say me call angel midday news. So just about 5 minutes to do that. But this has been my song, and it's always been my song. Sign of victory. No matter how hard things are, send any matibia, send any massifa A32 bia. No, just have a faith in Christ. Nyajidi on Yamimu said, Dama be ebesi ye. Or ya only the ebeba, and Guasi and beba, Ashasi and beba. Nia ufa mubiano. Don't fight the battle on your own knowledge. Leave it to Christ. Your friend Nana, Kwame Imperi. The radio presenter of the year, event MC of the year. Imam, good morning.
And through it all
Yes, I know. So let's look up our heads, yeah. Raise the flag, yeah, yeah. Scream like you're born to win. Now let the games begin. That's the sign of a victory.
Okuma Radio 97.1. We are blazing. Okuma Radio 97.1.
Midinti Madam Joanna, Radio Meetie Okuma 97.1.
Yes, I know. So let's look up our heads, yeah. Raise the flag, yeah, yeah. Scream like you're born to win. Now let the games begin. That's the sign of a victory. Yeah.
Akufo-Addo ede eba betu ejabi ene se wo be hye amafuo ene nuane bo abafom
na sika mpe rough se no na se obi ka oh sika you know the like rough and nice oye de bebre sika mel enti kwanu tum na sika mra Mampany's excellency na nadu danko Akufo-Addo na aka kire ye no eti Ghana ni hu ka sika sema ye de sika Enkani pepre ensa homma enwasem ye de bro
emuna nso no angel kasiebo ewramo ewo amantam eye regions ahoro emo ya ye de ehye senia amanfo eje eye Mampanya Akufo-Addo ne nsam a wade atudwa enra no wo mo afa
awusiafo ani anu mienu ni atena se aye asumi eye me abasima se wa akoto Mene.
Mama orgasm. Obafo kro sanitation ambassador 1. Na ache na mami 2 2 fingers. Emu de papa odru.
Eno ano no ne atiasi mu aye akwana na ensemi utie free angel 102.9 FM wo enkran ha. Wo san so share live wo Angel TV so. Enti sa wo hwe bi na utie na wadwenkere bi a we ye orgasm ka bi ma menka bi kase ne de bra wo no na wako Facebook no so Angel TV GH ana Angel 102.9 FM Accra. Na do wadwenkere to ho e be kenkan ne fe ko se de wo kan no sa pepepe ene e be kan no de ma. Ensemi twa ne ho free no. Yetie bi so Angel 95.5 Otakrade, Western 100.9 FM, Taste FM 90.9 Okofodia, Darling FM 90.9 Cape Coast, Angel FM 92.3 Sungai, Cheers 100.5 Sungai, Bono 107.5 and Wachi KFM 103.5 Techiman, OFM 107.7 Obuase, Angel 96.9 ewo Tamale, Voice FM 93.9 ewo Aguna Nkwanta, and Republic 97.5 FM ewo Nkoko. And some do so pa ne de bramo na da Roma. Yentinsim ya yanko ho yentinsim na fe yanko na nsam na do so pa.
Asempe bia ba. Upesika akostati ejuma bi. Uhia bosia atre odwadie mu. Uye government ana private worker unye sika dia te hot bi so. Uye busumi ejuma unye scan tempa bi so. Eye na quick credit be ma bosia mo chia ni kakra. Eye collateral free loan na susu savings account opening deposit biara ni. De hia ni se uye Ghana ni na wo Ghana card. Se wanye ejuma afiwe mu de kodia na wa na upe excuse biara ni. For quick credit it was 0302 200-390 and now 0596-920-833. Number for Biara Fewa and Yaka Credit. Shannon so say quick credit and malone ewo internet so. Enti Shanna Obiara and Dada. Bank of Ghana am momu dwede mu kwan na kaise nhyehyɛ da ho.